Welcome to our Hot Dam Showcase, where we're excited to delve into the world of integrations with MediaValet. I'm Claire from Product Marketing, and joining me is Andrew, one of our solutions engineers. And together, we're eager to discuss how integrating MediaValet into your tech stack can enhance your workflow and maximize the benefits of your DAM. In this presentation, we'll examine the significant role that integrations play in the lifecycle of your assets. We'll also spotlight leading options across different categories, including content management systems, customer relationship management tools, and project management platforms. Additionally, we'll delve into the process of creating your own custom integrations using our open API, and later, Angie will discuss some integration best practices. We appreciate your presence here today, and we're enthusiastic about exploring the limitless possibilities of integrations with you. Awesome. So I pulled this chart from our new 2024 DAM Trends report because it highlighted some intriguing insights. It reveals that those who do not use a DAM tend to channel their investments primarily into office documentation software and identity management software. And in contrast, those who do use a DAM benefit from the increased budget flexibility, allowing them to invest in project management and creative software solutions. This demonstrates that DAM users recognize the value of integrating their DAM solutions with both the tools that help them create the assets and the tools that manage their projects. Today, our focus will be delving deeper into the significance of these integrations and the remarkable capabilities that they bring to the table. So MediaValet is a best-of-breed pure-play DAM solution. This ensures that you can have confidence in MediaValet's exceptional functionality without compromising on performance. Integrations play a crucial role in enhancing MediaValet's capabilities, and that's why we enable you to effortlessly incorporate your preferred tools. This allows your team to work within the systems that they love, ensuring that your organization successfully attains its DAM objectives. So let's look at some of the benefits of empowering your DAM. It streamlines workflows. Integrating MediaValet with other tools and platforms such as content management systems, marketing automation tools, or design softwares that are currently in your tech stack allows your team to easily access and manage digital assets directly within those familiar platforms, reducing the need for manual work and switching between them. It enhances collaboration. So collaboration is at the heart of a DAM, and integrations enable cross-functional teams to work together, whether it's designers, marketers, or sales teams. Integrated DAM systems enable teams to work collaboratively on digital assets. This can include reviewing images, sharing feedback, and tracking project progress. It improves accessibility. Integrations make it easier for users to access DAM assets within the applications that they use daily. This means that your marketing team can quickly access images for a new campaign, or your sales team can find the latest product brochures without leaving their customer relationship management tool. It's customizable. Integrations can be tailored to suit your specific needs. Whether you need to connect to a unique CMS, CRM, or any other platform, MediaValet's open API provides the flexibility to create custom integrations that align with your needs. The power of integrations with MediaValet lies in their ability to transform your DAM system into a central hub that connects all aspects of your digital management ecosystem. They enhance collaboration, streamline workflows, and boost overall efficiency, enabling your organization to harness the full potential of your DAM. So today, we're excited to discuss some of the top integrations that offer significant benefits. We specifically chose these popular integrations because they bring immense value and efficiency. Our first set of integrations that we'll cover includes Adobe Creative Cloud, Microsoft 365, and Salesforce Sales Cloud. These integrations are highly sought after because they seamlessly connect your DAM with the tools and platforms you already rely on daily, enhancing your creative processes, document management, and customer relationship management. Additionally, we'll explore content management systems, and we'll discuss some out-of-the-box solutions, project management integrations, the versatility of our open API, and go over some best practices. So let's dive into these integrations and discover how they can optimize your DAM experience. Let's start with Adobe Creative Cloud. So the integration between Adobe Creative Cloud and MediaValet is powered by CI Hub, and is a powerful combination that significantly enhances the workflow of creative professionals and content creators. I'm going to hand it over to Andrew to chat more about how it can benefit users and go over a real-world example.
Thanks, Claire. Our Adobe Creative Cloud integration is really simply focused on powering your creative teams to have the power of the DAM without really taking them out of any existing workflows or day-to-day processes. Give them the ability to focus on what they do best and remove some of the more tedious and time-consuming work. At the end of the day, your teams will benefit from being able to make adjustments quicker, find new assets easier, and really continue to build the DAM as a source of truth. But let's take a quick look at a real-world example to see this in action. Jane is a graphic designer at a marketing agency who's often tasked with updating last year's or season's brochures and social media graphics. The challenge that she often faces is that it's hard to find the most up-to-date design files or project files, and that she spends a lot of time trying to relink every source asset. At the end of the day, it just takes a lot of time-consuming work for Jane to do before she can even do the task at hand. The solution here will be to use MediaValet and our Adobe Creative Cloud integration to help streamline a lot of this. With this, Jane's company can add all the project files that they're updating on the regular, along with the source assets associated with those files into the DAM. Then all Jane needs to do is open up an Adobe tool like InDesign, where she can find the project file that she needs to update. Using the relinking feature, she can sync the source assets from the DAM to her local machine, and then be able to make the changes she needs to do. She can browse and search directly in the tool to find any new imagery or up-to-date graphics. And then at the end of the day, when she's made all her changes, she can either upload a new version of the existing asset to the DAM or a brand new asset for her team to see. Regardless, the marketing teams will have instant access to all of Jane's changes. And Jane never had to leave InDesign or manage multiple windows to get the job done. While Jane's task was relatively simple, we see customers who have a much more complex creative process or asset management lifecycle and require more cross-team collaboration and feedback. This is where our project management integrations can really benefit your teams.
Awesome. Thanks, Andrew. So let's chat project management integrations. So integrating MediaValet with any project management tool like Asana, Wrike, or Monday.com can easily enhance collaboration. Users can quickly find and utilize relevant assets within the context of their projects, ensuring that the right materials are used for each task. In some cases, project managers can assign tasks related to asset creation, review or approve directly within each task, streamline communication, and track progress. Andrew, I'm sure there's a few more benefits to discuss, so I'll hand it back to you.
Yeah, we see MediaValet really be used as a source of truth for so many finalized assets, whether they be sales collateral, ebooks, you name it. And we understand that a lot of work really goes into making those assets. And our project management integrations are here to really help simplify and streamline that process of getting relevant and project-related assets from the DAM into those project management tools, and also be able to push the finalized asset from the project management tool back into the DAM. For example, your project managers can use tools like Wrike or Monday to add assets from MediaValet directly into the project task without having to leave those tools, allowing for more streamlined and simplified workflow to getting campaigns or projects started. On the flip side, your designers can use powerful approval annotation features of project management tools to seek feedback on their work. Then, when the asset is ready and finalized, use our integrations to push the asset directly from the project management tool back into MediaValet, allowing for further tagging and then distribution to the wider team. Overall, our integrations here are here to help you work with your project and creative workflows and get the job done. I know we talked a lot about our integrations, how it can help improve creative life cycles and project management, but they can also really help your end users gain access to the assets as well and use them a lot more efficiently, like our Office 365 integration.
So Microsoft 365 will inevitably simplify document creation and sharing with direct access to the DAM. To your DAM assets within the familiar Microsoft applications, such as Word, PowerPoint, and SharePoint. Andrew, back over to you.
Sorry, I was getting water. Our integrations are really just focused on extending the DAM into the day-to-day lives of your users. And the Office 365 integration is a great example of this. As Claire was mentioning, it really gives the users ability to use the DAM assets in their documents or PowerPoints. For example, instead of having to spend time searching for images to update a PowerPoint, your employees can easily search for logos and images in the DAM directly from PowerPoint, overall ensuring users are following brand consistency, have access to approved assets, and are really following a structure set by you and your team. And in addition to extending the DAM into tools like Office 365, our integrations can also benefit other departments like your web and content team in pushing assets from MediaValet into your content management systems.
So content management systems can greatly enhance content management efficiency, obviously streamline collaboration, and ensure the consistency and accessibility of your assets. There are endless opportunities here, so I'm going to hand it back over to Andrew to chat about your CMS options and a real-world example.
Being able to easily distribute your assets outside of the DAM to essential platforms like your CMS is crucial for so many customers. And we understand that it can be time-consuming to have to manually download assets and upload them back into those systems. With our integrations, your teams can easily push web-ready assets from MediaValet to your CMS, allowing your website teams to take advantage of the DAM without really adding more work to their day-to-day life. Let's look at a real-world example here. An e-commerce business wants to enhance its website and online store's efficiency and customer experience. They're likely using a platform like WordPress or Drupal to manage that web content today. The challenge those teams face is really just consistency, ensuring that the correct and up-to-date assets are being used across the site, especially since they have a large number of products. This can be time-consuming and is reducing the time they can spend on new updates or overall scaling of their company. A solution here would be to leverage the power of the DAM to really organize those assets and create a taxonomy that makes sense for the products, and then to use an integration like our WordPress connector. This would allow the team to be able to have access to up-to-date versions of all product imagery and brand assets, following a structure set by you and the team. They can attach those images to product pages, blog posts, and more. This means that the web team can continue to focus on improving user experience and product adoption without having to worry about using out-of-date images or even trying to find them in general. Next, let's kind of talk about how our customer relationship management integrations can bring the power of the DAM to your revenue-focused teams.
Thanks. So integrating a CRM platform like Salesforce Sales Cloud with MediaValet offers significant benefits for organizations looking to streamline their marketing and sales processes. Let's explore the benefits. So it's obviously easy to access and consistent branding. So users can quickly access the latest brand approved assets, ensuring that all customer communications maintain a consistent and professional look. It's also efficient in lead nurturing. So marketing teams can easily sync any relevant marketing materials directly to Salesforce from MediaValet, providing sales reps with valuable resources for nurturing leads and closing deals. Let's move on to chat about our developer experience.
We've talked a lot about how our out-of-the-box solutions, which are amazing for quickly integrating with a variety of applications and tools, though we understand that not every customer's technology stack will be the same, as the market is ever evolving. In addition, some customers may have very specific needs and want the flexibility to integrate their tools in a more tailored way to them. This is where our developer experience can really come in. As an API-first company, our developer experience includes an open API, webhooks, and even PowerShell commandlets to really empower our customers to build a composable technology stack that really meets your needs. Whether it be connecting to business-critical systems like a product inventory management software or automating the creation of CDN links for your website, our developer experience might be the right move for you. Base access is free for our enterprise customers who want to test out their solution or maybe want to explore our API. And then we also have an enterprise development package that is available to give unlimited access to our API and webhooks, and even includes features like the ability to have consulting hours with our team. Overall, we want to give our customers the flexibility they need to build their best-of-breed ecosystem that works for them. Let's look at some quick best practices, though, on how to kind of manage all these integration opportunities.
Let's do it. If I can switch slides. There we go.
Cool. Thanks, Claire. As a solution engineer, I work with customers who are potentially evaluating a large number of integrations, as their company will often have many needs. We fully understand that it can be a bit cumbersome on knowing where to begin, but we have a few ideas that we often recommend. Really, the first one I would recommend is just inventory what your team will need right away. Integrations like single sign-on, Office 365, and Adobe are great ways to start seeing value of the DAM pretty quickly and are easy to get started with. Also, knowing your long-term vision and goals is really important. For example, is your web team doing any major reworks or overhauls of the website in the next 6 months? It would probably make sense then to plan a website integration with the DAM for that project. Brainstorming and building a vision will help your team with creating an integration roadmap that makes sense and is scalable for your company. And lastly, you're not really alone. MediaValet is here to help. With your MediaValet representative, whether it be your account manager or customer success manager, we can provide suggestions and solutions that you need to meet your requirements. And if we don't directly integrate with an application you need, there are a few ways to really manage this. If you have internal resources, our developer experience is a great way to empower your teams to make solutions that you need. The benefit here is that your developers and IT teams can control how the solution will work, manage the project, and at the end of the day, have something tailored for you. But we also understand that not every company or every team will have the resources to build custom solutions. MediaValet also has a wide range of integration partners that can help work with you to build those solutions that you need. Let's go to Q&A.
Awesome.
We'll wrap it up, Claire. Back to you.
Thank you. There we go. Okay, thank you, Andrew, for handing it back. So, folks, we're going to launch a quick poll here, and we'll leave it up for 20 seconds or so, and then we'll conclude and get into Q&A. We'll give everyone a minute. Take this time to have some water.
Let's see.
Yeah. Okay, awesome. So to conclude our presentation, the power of integrations with MediaValet extends far beyond mere convenience. It's a strategic investment that can revolutionize the way you and your organization manage and leverage your digital assets. Whether it's connecting with a CMS tool, CRM platform, project management system, or any other part of your tech stack, integrations unlock the full potential of your DAM solution. So we thank you for joining us today and exploring some of the possibilities of integrations with MediaValet. If you have any additional questions, you can always reach out to our support team or your account manager, or you can reach out to Andrew or I via LinkedIn. In the meantime, we'll be happy to answer any questions that you may have. So we'll open it up. Andrew, are you able to see the questions?
Yeah, for sure. You mentioned a WordPress connector in MediaValet. Do you have a similar Drupal connector as well? Yeah, we also have an integration that works with Drupal.
Mm-hmm.
Besides using CDN for embedding images, is there any other ways to use them? Yeah, that's actually a really good question. I know we see a lot of our customers will actually host a lot of their ebooks or marketing materials on MediaValet, and then generate CDN links they can embed into emails or things like that. It just really allows you to track and then use our reporting to be able to track the views and the opens of those books as well.
Do integrations have a cost associated with setup? So the prices of each integration can vary, so we suggest reaching out to your MediaValet representative, and you can get some more information, and we can talk about it. Okay.
We have quite a few integration needs. They're feeling a bit overwhelmed. What would be the best way to tackle this? Yeah, it's a great question. As I mentioned before, I think just really figuring out what's needed right away. So single sign-on is probably a big one, or Adobe connector is a great one to get started with, but also just leveraging what your company will be needing, whether it be something like connecting to your ERP system, stuff like that. Our team's also here to help. So, if you have a representative here at MediaValet, they'll be willing to work with you to really try to understand what those requirements are and provide some suggestions there.
Mm-hmm.
Can you share any technical details for Drupal connector? Does your Drupal connector keep the asset in the Drupal sync from the DAM if it changes in the DAM? That's a really good question, Claire. I'm not actually fully sure if there's connector there. I believe it will move the asset from MediaValet into Drupal, but I know there is often a bit of customization there that can be done.
Yeah, Paul, if you want more information, yeah, we can definitely send you some more information on Drupal.
Yeah.
Amazing. Well, yeah, thank you so much. Hope we answer some questions again. If you have any more, we're here to help and happy to help. So thank you so much.